Hello everyone. Today I'm trying to explain how to create the Telegram chatbot and how it is working and how the user can interact with them. So the first one is how to create a Telegram chatbot. Here I may use bot further to create the Telegram chatbot. In this bot further, you will provide your bot name and a username. Then the bot further will generate some unique token, and this token is useful for to interact with your chatbot, and this token is unique, and it is not same for everyone. Now would keep this token aside, it should be used later. Now I am explain the coding part. Here I may use the node telegram bot API package. So this package is useful for to interact with our chatbot, and I'm create one variable in telegram bot method which consists of two parameters. The first one is token and the second one is polling. So and this token is obtained when you use the bot further to create your bot. It will generate some unique token for everyone. So this token is unique, it's not same, and this token is useful for to interact with your bot. And the second parameter is polling, and this parameter is useful for to always check the new messages. And here you will use dot on method, which is inbuilt method which is present in the package is node telegram bot API package. And this dot on method is considered two parameters. The first one is message and the second one is callback function. Here I am explain how to invoke this method. So whenever the user can enter the message, then this message will call this callback function. Then what type of code should be present inside this callback function will be executed. So that is happen internally. Now when it comes to the body of this callback function, here we'll use the request method which consists of two parameters. The first one is API link and the second one is callback function which consists of three parameters: error, response and body. Here I am using the API is movie updates API, and here I use the from API OMDB API, and this API is useful for to get the details of the movie information. And we not on this type of API, we can use any type of API that should be available in the open source. When you use any type of API, you must be observe that have the present good documentation or not, and it is available in free source or not. Because of when the some APIs are will available in free source and some are not available in free source. When it is available in free source and have the good documentation, then we will sign up that website. Then we will get the unique API key, and this API key is useful for to keep the track of your usage of your API. And here I am use some condition statements. These statement conditions are useful for to check that the particular information will available or not. So the first when user can enter his movie, then it check that if that movie is present in that API or not. If it is present, then it will enter the condition block statement. Then it will enter this condition. Then you check that if the particular so when the information should present in the API, then it will enter into this condition block. This condition block will consist of set of statements. These statements are useful for to check that if the information is present or not. So if the information is present, then you will print the data. If information is not present, you cannot be print the data. It will print some message is not available in your data, or some like it will not available in particular data or not. And if I'm seeing one example that if here I use the JSON pass body dot year not equal to some string, here this indicates that here and the year of the movie will available or not. Check that if it is available, then you will print the JSON parse body dot year of year of that particular movie. If it is not available, then you will print the not available any data. The main motto of this all condition statements is we check that if information is present or not. If information is present, then you will print the information of particular movie. Like as these all statements are like as actors, language, box office collection, country, poster. These all condition statements will follow the same working principle. Here I am use some different condition statements like as if and else if, and these are useful for the user get more interacted and with and the user, because of it is very useful for the user get more interested to chat with bot. And here we carefully observe that I am using the JSON parse body. and this is useful for to convert the your string into an object, because when you try to print your body of that movie, it comes in form of string. You know very well, in the string format we cannot be perform any type of operations, like any type of operations we cannot perform. So we'll use the JSON parse method to convert the string in object. It comes in a easy understandable format. So we know it understand format, we can understand that, so what type of information is present and what type of information is not present. And this all condition statements will be executed when that movie will available in this API. If the movie is not available in this API, then it is directly comes to the then it directly comes to the else block. Then it will send the message is movie is not found, please try again. So this is the main motto of these condition statements. Now you can see that, and how to run your uh, model. Now you can see that how to run your server. So this all condition will be executed when that information is available in this API or not. If it is available, then print the information. If not available, then cannot be printed information. So that is happen. So I am used to run the this server node newbot.js. Newbot is my file name. So that's happen. Now I enter the movie name as Triple R. Yes, then you show that the entire details of the movie, like country, title, actor, director, rating, year, release, and poster of that movie, and all details of that movie will print that, and it show that the entire details of the movie. In that the conditions of that, based on the conditions, it will show the details. I am use another movie as enter Dasara. In that, you careful observe that in the awards, the data of the awards of that movie Dasara is not available. So that means the particular condition that we use in the code will be executed. Based on the condition, it will show that awards are will not available. So that's why I use different types of conditions on the code to check the different types of condition. If the awards of that movie will available, then we show that. If it is not available, then it not show that. Here I am enter the some random movie number. So it is show that the movie is not found, please try again later. So this is the working of a chatbot. Now I'm enter some another thank you. Then it shows some message like thank you for visiting the movie update bot. So this is a whole about the how to create a chatbot and how to execute, and how to can user can interact with the chatbot. Thank you.